Welcome to the NU Programming Bootcamp Windows Installation Guide. I'm using Windows 8.1, but your steps should be almost the same on Windows 7 and 8. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to check if your version of Windows is 64 or 32-bit. On Windows 8 and 8.1, we do that by right-clicking the window icon and clicking System. On Windows 7, I believe that you have to right-click the My Computer line once you open the Start menu and then do System. So the line that we're interested in is actually the system type, and it'll say 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine says 32-bit, so just remember that number. Okay. Now the first thing we'll do is install Anaconda Python 3.4. So open up a web browser and just search for Anaconda Python. This second link of continuum.io/downloads is the one that we want to click. So now the important part is we want Python 3.4. Make sure to click Python 3.4. Do not install Python 2.7. Okay? Once we're in Python 3.4, there's two different installers. One for 64-bit, one for 32-bit. My computer is 32-bit, so I'm going to click this one. If you have a 64-bit machine, click the other one. Okay, now just click Save. Just click your Explorer icon, go to your Downloads folder, and double-click the installer. So click Next, agree to the license. You can install for just yourself. Keep the path the same. Now this is an important part. Make sure that both add Anaconda to my path environment and register Anaconda as my default Python 3.4 are both checked. Once they're both checked, click Install. Okay, once that's completed, just click Next, click Finish. We need to verify that it actually installed. So I'm going to go to the search function here. You need to search for PowerShell. When you find it, Windows PowerShell, just click and open. So the first thing that we do, and you may or may not be able to have this execute, but we type where.exe and then Python. If that runs, it should tell you that it's in Python exe and Anaconda 3, which is in your user folder. If that didn't work, maybe because you're on Windows 7, just type Python. And what you should see here is it should say Python 3.4.1, Anaconda 2.1.0. If you have either one of those two things work, either one, then it's installed properly.